Okay, so welcome to all of you. Today we will see what this mean by basis of a vector space. Okay, so we'll define this. Suppose S is the non-empty subset of vector space V, so it contains any element. Okay, then S is called basis for V if S span V. S span means that every element of V is expressed as a linear combination of vectors in S. That means S span V, and S is linearly independent. If S satisfies these two conditions, it span V and S is linearly independent, then S will be the basis for a vector space V. Okay, so we'll see some problems on it. So to prove that set is the basis, that means what we have to prove? It is linearly independent and span V. First prove it is linearly independent, because linearly independent is the easiest way. Okay? So instead of the span. Okay. So first prove it is linearly independent and then prove it is span V. Okay. So we'll do that for one problem on it. So show that S is equal to 3, 1, minus 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 4, 8 is a basis. It's a basis for R3. Basis for R3. Okay. Solution. Given that I will say this is U1 bar. Okay. I will say this is what? U2 bar, and U3 bar is equal to this. S is equal to U1 bar is equal to this, U2 bar is equal to this, U3 bar is equal to this. Okay. So what do I have to prove? So first I will prove S is linearly independent. Okay. So 1. We want to prove, or directly write linearly independent. We'll check for linearly independent. Linearly independent. Okay. So now these are the vectors in R3 now. Okay. So we'll write directly A is equal to, so 3, 1, minus 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 4, 8. Okay. So determinant A is equal to 3 into, so this is what? 14 minus 24 minus 2, 8 plus 16 minus 1 into, so this is what? 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20. So this is what? 20. This is 16 now. 40 minus 16. So this is 48. So this is what? 24. So minus 48. Minus 48. And this is what? Minus 26. So this is minus 26. So determinant A not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. Therefore, S is linearly independent. I will call this as A now. S is linearly independent. Okay. So now I will prove. Now what? S span V now. S span. This I want to prove now. Okay. This is the second one. So span R3 now. So V is your what? R3. So what we will do? We will take any vector from R3. Okay. So that A, B, C belong to R3. So we will prove that system is consistent. Okay. So A, B, C belong to R3. Okay. So A, B, C is equal to X into 3, 1, minus 4 plus Y into 2, 5, 6 plus Z into 1, 4, 8. Okay. So we will prove that this XYZ exists. These XYZ are unknown now. So we have to prove that this XYZ exists. That means what? We form a system. We have to prove only the system is consistent. If the system is consistent, then this one, then what? Your S span R3. Okay. We'll make equations now. 3x plus twice y plus z is equal to A. So x plus 5y plus 4z is equal to B. Minus 4x plus 6y plus 8z plus 8z is equal to C. Okay, this system can be written in matrix format. Ax is equal to B. Okay, we'll write the augmented matrix now. Directly we'll write augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is what? Just you have to write the vector in the column wise. So 3, 1, minus 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 4, 8. Then this is A, B, C. Okay, so we'll convert this in the echelon form now. So what we'll do? we have to do this 1. We have to make this entry as the 1. Okay, so to make this entry as 1, you can make 1 anywhere now, anywhere. So 1 is already here now. We'll interchange this. So this is what R12. We'll apply this operation. 1, 5, 4, B, 3, 2, 1, A, minus 4, 6, 8, C. Okay. Now, with the help of this one, only with the help of this one, we have to make this entry 0. Okay. Don't take any help of other row. Okay. Don't take the help of any other row. Only with the help of the one, we have to make this to 0. Okay. So that is what this is element of R2. This is element R3. So you have to change R2 and R3. So minus 3 R1 and R3 plus 4 R1. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by minus 3 and you have to add this. Okay. So minus 3 plus 3. Okay. So first we write this row as it is because we are not doing any operation on R1. So we are doing the operation on R2. So we have to multiply by minus 3. You have to add this. So minus 3 plus 3 0. Minus 15. Minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13. So this is what then? Minus 12. Minus 12. So this is minus 11. So this is what? A minus 3b. A minus 3b. Then we have to multiply by 4 and we have to add this. So this is 0. So this is what? 4. So that means this is a 20, 26. 26. Okay. So then this is what? 16. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24. And this is what? C plus 4b. C plus 4b. Now, with the help of this minus 13, you can make this 0 easily. So, no need to do this 1 now. No need to make this as 1 now. Because with the help of minus 13, you can do this is 0. So, just we'll apply the operations. We'll apply operation what? R3 plus twice R2. So, this is what? 1, 5, 4, B. Then this will be as it is now. Minus 13, minus 11. 1 minus 3b. 1 minus 3b. So this is 0. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by minus 2. So minus 26 plus 26. This is 0. So this is what then? Minus 22. Minus 22 plus. So this is 2 now. Okay. Now this is what then? Okay. So we do this addition. C plus 4b. You have to multiply by 2 plus twice a minus 6b. Okay. So this will be what then? C minus C plus twice a minus twice b. Minus twice b. Okay. Now this is the echelon form. This is 1 0. This is 2 0. Okay. So this is the echelon form. That means what? We have to stop the operations now. Okay. No need to do this 1 now. Okay. So we write directly the rank of A. So rank of A is nothing but the number of non-zero rows in the echelon form of A. So you have to forget this last column. So see, number of non-zero rows is 3 now. Is 3. Okay. And this is same as rank of AB. Because the rank of AB is what? AB you have to put, we have to assume the full matrix, okay, including the fourth column also. So this rank of A is okay. Therefore the system is consistent. Therefore system is consistent. No need to find the value of XYZ. No need to find the value of XYZ in terms of ABC. Because what we want to judge only the whether this is span B or not. Okay, whether this is span B or not. So that means if system is consistent, that means your XYZ are exist. Your XYZ are exist. That means what? So directly we can write there for what? S spans B. We call this as B. Okay. So from A and B, S is a basis for R3. S is a basis for R3. Okay. So no need to find the values of XYZ in terms of ABC. Actually, what you have to actually x, y, z are exist in terms of ABC. That is the part. Okay, but we want to judge only the span V or not. That means what the system has a solution, right? So only we have to judge this whether it is span V or not. Okay, so if the system is consistent, then it's span V. Okay, no need to solve this system. Okay, so we take the next problem. Each S is equal to 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4. Each a basis, each a basis for R3. Is the basis for R3. Okay, solution. Given that S is equal to this. Okay, we have to judge this. That means what, if S is linearly independent, then we have to prove S span V. Okay, we have to check S span V. We have to check whether it is linearly independent. This question is not show that it is a basis. Okay, question is not whether it is a basis or not. Okay, so that means we have to judge whether it is linearly independent and S span V. So first we will do linearly independent. Okay, so A is equal to, because these are the vectors in R3 and there are 3 vectors. So this is what 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4. So but we don't write the curly bracket actually because we are writing the matrix now here. Yes. Okay, we'll find the determinant A now. Determinant A is what 1 into 8 minus 15 minus 4 minus 6 plus 5 5 minus 4 5 minus 4. So what? So this is what minus 7 plus 2 plus 5. So this is 0 now. Okay, so determinant A is equal to 0. Therefore what? S is linearly dependent. S is linearly dependent. Determinant is 0, then S is linearly dependent. Therefore what? S is not a basis for R3. Not a basis for R3. Okay, the problem is very easy now. Okay, because vectors are not linearly independent. Okay, so vectors are linearly dependent means they are not linearly independent. So therefore it is not a basis. Okay, we'll do one more problem on it. Show that S is equal to 1 plus 2t plus t square, 2 plus t, 1 minus t plus 2t square is a basis for P2. Is the basis for P2. Okay. Okay. Solution. Given that. Okay. Let P1 is equal to 1 plus 2t plus t square. Okay. P2 is equal to 2 plus t, and P3 is equal to 1 minus t plus 2t square. Okay, so here your S will be what? P1, P2, P3. Okay, first linearly independent. Okay, so let X P1 plus Y P2 plus Z P3 is equal to 0 bar. Okay, so your X is what? 1 plus 2t plus t square plus Y 2 plus t plus Z 1 minus t plus 2t square is equal to 0 plus 0t plus 0t square. Okay, by definition. Okay, so we'll collect the constant term, coefficient of t and coefficient of t square. Okay, we'll collect the constant term. So x plus twice y plus z is equal to 0. We get a homogeneous system. Okay, so twice x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So x plus twice z is equal to 0. We'll write this equation in a standard. This is what in matrix form. Okay, so just we have to convert your A in the echelon form. Okay, if rank of A is same as the number of unknown, then the system has zero solution. The S will be the linearly independent. If rank of A is less than the number of unknown, then the system has at least one non-zero solution. S will not be the linear independent. But question is show that, so your rank of A must be the same as the number of unknown. Okay, so your A is what? Your A. Because for homogeneous system we don't need the augmented matrix. So 1 2 1 2 1 0 2 1 0 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so with the help of this one we have to make this 2 entry 0. Okay, don't do this one 0 this 0 with the help of this one. Okay, with the help of R1 make this 2 entry 0. Okay, so we'll apply the operation, that is what? R2 minus twice R1 and R3 minus R1 only. With the help of R1 only we have to make this 3 0. Okay, so first row will be as it is. So what you have to multiply by minus 2 and you have to add this. Okay, so minus 4, so this is minus 3, minus 2, so this is minus 3, minus 3. Then just you have to multiply by minus and add this. So minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 2, this is minus 2. So this is what? Multiply by minus 1, so this will be 1 there. Okay, this will be 1. Okay, now see here you can divide by minus 3, because minus 3 we don't get a fractional term. Okay, so we'll write 1 minus 1 by 3 R2. Okay, you can make this entry as 1 now. 1 2 1 0 1 1 0 minus 2 1. Okay, now we'll make this entry as 0 now. We'll make this entry as 0. Okay, so how, which operation we have to apply? This is R3. You have to change the R3. R3 plus 2 R2. Okay. Okay, I will write here R3 plus 2 R2. Okay. This operation I have to apply. So first row will be as it is, 0 1 1. Then what? You have to multiply by minus. We have to multiply by 2 and you have to add it. Okay. So this is 0. This is 2 plus minus 2 minus 2 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so now see 1 0 here, 2 0 here, so that means this is the equivalent form. So rank of A is equal to rank of A is equal to 3 is equal to number of unknowns. Okay, so therefore the system has only 0 solution. The system has only 0 solution. The system has only 0 solution. Therefore, S is linearly independent. We call this as A now. Okay. So S is linearly. Now we want to prove this one P3 span. Next, second is what? S spans P2. S spans P2. Okay, so we'll take any polynomial from P2. Okay, so A plus B T plus C T square. Okay, belongs to P2. P2 is the set of all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 2. Set of all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 2. This is P2. Okay. Okay, so now what we have to prove? This any vector of P2 can be expressed as a linear combination of the vectors in S. That we have to prove. Okay, so we'll take a linear combination of vectors in S now. T square is equal to, I can use x, y, z. Okay, so this is what 1 plus 2t plus t square plus y into 2 plus t plus z into 1 minus t plus 2t square. Okay, so now we'll write the equation. The equation will be the same here, only instead of the 0 0 there is ABC. So this is what your equations are what? X plus twice y plus z is equal to A. Twice x plus y minus z is equal to B. Then what? X plus 2z, x plus 2z is equal to C. Okay, this system can be written in matrix form as x is equal to B. Okay, we have to write now augmented matrix now. Augmented matrix. So this is what 1 2 1 2 1 0 1 minus 1. You have to do the same operation as you used before. Okay, so this is what R2 minus twice R1, R3 minus R1. Same operation we have to apply. Okay, same operation we have to apply. So this is what 1 2 1 A. Then what we have to multiply by minus 2. So this is 0 minus 3 minus 3. Then this is what B minus A. B minus twice A. B minus twice A. B minus twice A. Then just we have to multiply by minus 1 and we have to add this. So this is minus 2 minus 1. So this is 1. This is 1. Okay. Then what? C minus A. C minus A. Okay. Now I can divide by this 3. No problem for this one, because what? Only this. This is the best way. So 1 2 1 0 1 1. Okay, I have to write this also. This. Then you are multiplying by minus 1 by 3. That means this is what? Twice A minus B upon 3. You have to change the sign also. 0 minus 2 1 C minus A. Okay. So what we have to prove? Yes, span V. That means we have to prove the rank of augmented matrix is same as rank of A. Okay. So that is the part. Okay. So now you have to make this entry 0. This is what? R3 plus twice R2. 1 2 1 A 0 1 1 twice A minus B upon 3 upon 3. This is what? You have to multiply by 2 only. Okay. This is 0. So this is 3. This is 3. Then this is what? C minus A plus 2 times twice A minus B upon 3. Okay. No need to calculate this. Don't calculate. Don't simplify this. Keep as it is. Because of this 3, no problem for this one. Okay. So whatever this may be 0, doesn't matter. Okay. Because this 3 is here. Okay. So rank of A is equal to 3. If this is 7, rank of augmented matrix. Okay. If this is 0, that also doesn't matter because 3 is there. If it is 0, then you have to calculate this. If it is 0, then rank of A will be the rank of B. Or this is what? If it is 0, then you have to need to calculate. This is non-zero. Rank of A will not be same as the rank of AB. That means what? This system is not consistent. Okay. So here what? Therefore the system is consistent. Consistent means what? X, Y, Z are exist. Consistent means what? X, Y, Z are exist. So that means what? Every polynomial of P2 can be expressed as a linear combination of the vectors in S. Okay. So therefore, S span R3, not V actually. This is S span P2 now. P2. So we call this as B now. Okay. So from A and B, from A is what? Linearly independent. B is what? Span B. From A and B, S is a basis for P2. S is the basis for P2. Okay. Now we'll take an important theorem on it. So theorem. If S is equal to V1 bar, V2 bar, dot, Vn bar is a basis for the vector space V, then any vector V bar belongs to V can be uniquely expressed as linear combination of the basis vector of the basis vector. Okay, so we prove this one. Prove. Let S is equal to V1 bar, V2 bar, dot dot dot, Vn bar be a basis, for the vector space, V. Okay, so let V bar belong to V. V bar belong. As S span V. Therefore, we have, see, S is the basis, means it span V. Okay, so that means every vector of V can be expressed as a linear combination of the vectors in V. So therefore, we have V bar is equal to A1 V1 bar plus A2 V2 bar plus dot 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 plus An Vn bar. Okay, so what I want to prove, this expression is unique. That means this A1, A2, An, these are the only scalars. Okay, no other scalars are possible here. So let it possible. Okay, let it possible, V bar is equal to B1 V1 bar plus B2 V2 bar. That means this is another linear combination of the V bar in terms of another linear combination of V bar in S now. Okay, another linear combination of the vectors in S. Okay, so this is what Vn. What we want to prove? This is expressed uniquely. That means what? We have to prove A1 is same as B1, A2 is same as B2, dot dot dot, An is same as Bn. This you want to prove. Okay, so that we will prove now. So we call this as 1 and we call this as 2. Okay, so from 1 and 2, A1 B1 bar plus A2 V2 bar plus dot dot dot, An Bn bar is same as B1 V1 bar plus B2 V2 bar plus dot dot dot, Bn Vn bar. Okay, because both are V bar. Okay, so that means these two are equal. Okay, so now V is the vector space. So I can shift this vector to this side and I can rearrange that also. I can write this is what? A1 minus B1 V1 bar. Because V is the vector space, therefore I can do this one. Because we satisfy all the axioms of the vector space. So therefore we can do this. This is what? A2 minus B2 V2 bar plus dot 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 plus An minus Bn Vn bar is equal to 0 bar. What is this? This is the linear combination of vectors in S. This is the linear combination of the vectors in S, and that is what? 0 vector. But S is S is the basis. That means it is linearly independent. Okay, since S is linearly independent. Therefore we have A1 minus B1 is equal to A2 minus B2 dot 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 is equal to An minus Bn is equal to 0. All the scalars are 0 because S is linearly independent. Okay, so therefore A1 is equal to B1, A2 is equal to B2 dot dot dot, An is equal to Bn. Okay, so therefore V bar is uniquely expressed as linear combination of vectors in S. Okay, so that means what? If it is basis. Okay, if S is basis, then any vector of V can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of the vectors in S. This is a very important theorem. Okay, I hope that you understand what do you mean by basis, right? And this theorem. Okay, this is S is basis. That means we have to take a benefit of the S span V. We have taken the first benefit of the S span V, and we have taken the benefit of S is linearly independent here. Okay, S is basis. That means it is span V and S linearly independent. You have to take the benefit of the both. Okay, without that you cannot do this one. Okay, so I have taken the benefit of the S span V and it is the basis. Okay, it is a linearly independent. Okay, I hope that you understand all those things. Okay. Now we'll stop here. Thank you.